In example 2, we're told that George collects stamps and that the table shows the total number of stamps in his collection for 3 years. Suppose the pattern continues. Write an algebraic expression to find the number of stamps in his collection after n years, and how many stamps will George have after 30 years. So we're given year 1, he has 350 stamps. Year 2, he has 700 stamps. And year 3, he has 1,050 stamps. So if we look at the difference here, each time, 750 minus 350 is 350. 1,050 minus 700 is again 350. So the pattern is that we're adding 350 each year. But if we look at that in terms of an algebraic expression, we should recognize that the total number of stamps equals 350 times the number of years, which we're given as n. So 350 times 1 is 350. 350 times 2 is 700. Each year, this would add 350 more stamps. Then we're asked, how many stamps will George have after 30 years? Well, that's n equals 30. So we simply substitute that into our expression, 350 times 30. We'll go ahead and write that out over here, 350 times 30. I'm going to go ahead and just leave the zeros over to the left. Remember our trick, if we have trailing zeros, zeros at the end, we can remember those and then just add them at the end and multiply the actual numerical values. So 5 times 3 is 15. 5 down carry your 1. 1 times 3, or 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. And then we had 2 zeros that we did not take into account, so we add those zeros. And so after 30 years, George will have 10,500 stamps. That is a lot of stamps. Of course, that is also a lot of time to be collecting those stamps.